If you've worked in sales long enough, you've already heard this. AI is coming for your job. Yeah, that's right. There's not going to be any more humans in sales. People are going to be buying from robots. AI is going to be taking customers out to steak dinners. Yeah, no, that's not going to happen. Here are 4 reasons AI is not going to replace you. Number one, most of these tools don't actually help you sell anything. AI is great for productivity boosts. It's a great assistant that could help you with your job, but it doesn't actually close deals. Yeah, nothing is replacing a human when it comes to taking money from the customer. Selling still requires humans, still requires judgment and persuasion. And until you have a robot convincing a customer to buy a multi-year license without ever talking to a human, you're not going to get fired, buddy. Don't worry. Number two, the tool you just bought was probably made for your executives, not for you. Here's what we mean. There's a lot of messaging right now that's targeting leadership. Executives have a lot of an experimental budget. They want to invest in AI and they don't know how to spend that money. So a lot of these tools are actually targeting your boss and their boss. It's not really targeting you. That's why reps often come to us and say, hey, we bought all these tools that we didn't really use. They're not getting adopted. And at the end of the day, if technology isn't getting adopted, if it's sitting on a shelf somewhere, it's going to be shelfware. Yeah, it's never going to replace you, and it's just going to sit there and eat up budget and collect dust. Number three, a lot of these tools are complicated. There's a complex learning curve for some of this stuff, right? Reps are already drowning in information. They're overwhelmed. When you throw another set of tools at them and you have to train them up on stuff, that's going to complicate things. And it's not that reps are anti-learning or anti-new tech. They love new tech, but there's just too much of it, right? It has to really help their job. Sales AI tools have the learning curve if they expect to get real adoption. And if you talk to reps out in the field and you say, hey, show me your dashboards, show me your browser window, you're going to see so many tabs, tools, and integrations, it'll make your head spin. So yeah, lower the complexity of this stuff, make it easier to adopt. Number four, feature bloat creates poor user experiences. A lot of these AI tools just do too much. When you talk to sales reps, you'll hear stuff like, hey, the product was great in the demo, we bought it, we trained it, but it's a little hard to use. It turns simple tasks into complex workflows. That doesn't really help anyone, right? Unfortunately, that's the case with a lot of AI tools. They have a tendency to generate too much content. We call it AI slop. Some of it's not really useful. And then when you talk to these reps, you get the feeling that the people who built the product have never sold something a day in their life. So I think that with a lot of these tools, you're going to want to really tone down the user experience and make it a lot simpler if you expect sales reps to actually adopt it. And until that happens, they are not going to get replaced anytime soon. So what do you think? Will AI replace sales reps? Am I going to get fired tomorrow? Is a robot going to take my place? Am I going to be working for this guy instead?